Hey guys, welcome to Rosie's Dessert Spot. Today we'll be creating this fun and elegant Valentine's Day cake using buttercream and fondant. This is a buttercream covered cake that I'm creating, and I have a 6-inch here. It's already been covered with buttercream frosting as a crumb coat. I'm going over in white frosting now for that final layer. Smooth it all out. Bring that lip of frosting towards the middle, and I'll have the recipe for this buttercream in the description box for you guys. With my spatula, I'm just dragging that lip and then placing it into the fridge to set for 20 minutes. Being mindful not to step on my kitten. Here I have a floral nail, just adding a little piece of baking paper with some buttercream and then a 104 tip, creating little ruffles. I'm kind of pivoting my wrist up and down to create those open petals. For the roses, you want to create a dollop in the center, one ring around that, and you've got your piping tip angled inwards towards the nail, so you have that kind of dome shape. Create 3 arches really tightly around the dome, and then 5 arches around those 3 petals. Overlap at the back, and you can see that the 104 tip has the skinny side facing up. I'm only going to create small ones because it's going to be a very tight squeeze for decorating. And then into the freezer they go for at least 2 hours if you can, or overnight for best results. For the love heart, we are creating this out of fondant, so I've got my pink fondant, rolling it out till about 2 or so millimeters in thickness and cutting out a large love heart. In the middle, I'm going to cut out another one, so my love heart is about, I'm going to say 2 centimeters thick. And then you can stick it to your cake with a little bit of water. Into the middle of the heart, I've got edible silver dragées. I'm going to fill that in all the way around, just following the outline. And then I'm going to do the same for the outside of the heart. It really surprised me just how finished this cake looked with this 2 rows of dragées. It just looked, I don't know, I think it looked awesome. Now I didn't want to decorate it anymore because I'm like, now I'm going to ruin it. But I didn't. I think it still looks pretty cool with the rest of the decorations. Here we have some fondant. These are 2 really skinny logs that I twisted together to get that rope effect. And then I'm just sticking my flowers all around the heart. I concentrated them around the left, the right, and the bottom, but I left the very top corner empty. I just wanted a little bit of that negative space. And then into the center of the blossoms, I have those silver dragées, just kind of filling that in. And then a number 352 piping tip for the leaves in green buttercream. Fill in any spaces that you can see in between the flowers. I added 1 little rose at the bottom there. And that's it. Just be sure to pipe your flowers nice and small because this is a very tight squeeze in terms of decorating around your heart. That's it. Hope you guys liked it. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.